So let's start with chapter number 3, current electricity, part 2 of your science 1. So what we seen in the last part, that is the electric current. And electric current is the flow of electrons through a conductor. Here you can see the definition of the electric current. Current I is defined as the charge passing through a conductor in a unit time. If charge Q is flowing through cross section of conductor in a time t, then the current I equals to QT. The unit of charge in SI unit is Coulomb and current is expressed in ampere. The charge of one electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. That is we seen in the last part about the electric current. So now we go through the next part. The next part is ampere. Ampere is the unit of electric current. A 1 ampere current is said to flow in a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flow through it every second. So 1 ampere equals to 1 C upon 1 S. Here you can see the diagram of the current unit ampere, which is used in, here you can see the current of the charge in ampere. That is a diagram which represent the unit of current electricity. Now our next part, we can see resistance and Ohm's law. Ohm's law, see there is important definition is given over here. Ohm's law, the relationship between the current flowing through a wire and the potential difference across its ends can be obtained from the law that given by the German scientist Georg Simon Ohms. If the physical state of conductor remains constant, the current I flow through it is directly proportional to the potential difference V between its two ends. Here, your definition part is this: the Ohm's law, relation between the current flowing through a wire and the potential difference across the ends V. That is the important part which you have to remember. Now we can see the next part. This way you get the formula for the Ohm's law. V equals to I into R. R means resistance. This is the circuit diagram. It is shown to be connected in a battery, and here all around the current it is shown 57.7 milliampere. Now the next we can see in the next video.